name is Mike Turpin. I'm the owner of the Bed Buddy USA, and I can absolutely, with 100% confidence, guarantee you that Marblism, the app from Eva, Linda, Stan, Sonny, Penny, Rachel, each and every individual plays a very important part in saving me time and energy. I'm an old guy. I've been a hammer swinger my whole entire life. Okay. Going into this app and it's user friendly. I tell it what I want. It comes back with positive interactions. One of the best things I love about it, okay, is dealing with people is tough. Okay. You hire a new person and they want to do something their way. I'm going to give you a prime example. So in the Marblism app, I've told it numerous times, we're going to use our media. Okay. Now, if I had a real person in an office and they kept using their media, pulling them off the internet, we would have a interpersonal problem, right? Marblism, I tell them, each and every one of the people, listen, we cannot reuse somebody else's media, right? It saved me an interpersonal problem. It saved me taking somebody out to lunch and, mowing the problem over, right? And getting them on page with me. I can tell the Marblism individuals, this is what we need to do. And this is why we need to do it, right? We need to stay on direction. And that's one of probably a dozen things that the Marblism AI app has helped me with. It has saved me not like 1 or 2 hours. It hasn't saved me 10 or 15 hours. It has saved me over 50 hours within the first week, right? Eva comes to me with clear direction and goals that we've set for ourselves. Penny comes and says, hey, we have a new blog to put on the internet or put on the website. Is this good enough? Sonny comes and says, hey, I have these top 5 posts that we want to put on all the social media. Is this good enough? You say yes or no, and you hit publish, and they just coordinate directly. I owned my first business in 2013. Okay, I had a partnership agreement. It took me a week and a half for the lawyers to draw up a partnership agreement. Linda wrote my partnership agreement in 1 minute. She saved me a partnership agreement that when I first opened my first business, I had a partnership agreement. Took me a week and a half to wait for a lawyer to draw it up. Linda did it in a minute, 1 minute. She saved me all that time. She saved me half a month. She saved me 1 minute. All I did was read through it, make an adjustment, send it over to her. Made an adjustment. In 5 minutes, I had a partnership agreement. Absolutely. I have nothing but great things to say about the app and everything that it has to offer. And I'm an old guy. I'm not a new person that understands technology and apps and AI. I'm an old guy. So if I'm speaking highly of it, it says something. So that is my official Marblism is amazing.